Okay, tell mommy what it is.
What is
Hammer?
that? You say
Hammer?
hammer? Yeah, that's what it does.
Tell mommy what it is. Tell mommy. Hammer?
Hammer.
Yeah, we got
Uh-oh, Papaw has a flat tire, and he needs Jack's help to fix it.
Put the scotch tire. Push it under there. Push it under there. Scotch the tire. Put it under there. Push it under. Okay. Now, here's another one. Let's stop this. Don't let it roll. Jack it up. Here, come here. Push it. Push it. Alright. Now you got it scotched. Let's go jack it. I think we gotta jack it up before we get the tire up. Here, jack it up. Come on. Pull that. Alright. Push down. Push. Raise it up. Now push down. Push it down again. Jack it. Look there, jack it. Push it down. There you go. Help Papaw push it down. Hey, a little more. Come here. Come here. Get these off me now. Yeah.
Oh no.
Papaw is removing the lug nuts so they can take off the flat tire.
All right, Jackson, come here. You gotta take his tire off loose. Bring your drill. Take it. Do them off. Yeah. Get loose. Pull. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. There we go. You got it. You got it here. Now you gotta fix it. You gotta help Pop get the hammer and beat on it. Yeah, beat on the top. Here, beat on it. Fix it right there. Yeah. Wait a minute. Gotta beat on it some more. Fix it. That way, you fix that too. Yeah, you got it.
Big on the tire.
That's it. All right, let's go put some air in it. Come on. Pick it up, push it. Push it. Help Papaw push it. Push it. Push it. Come on. Come on. Come on, push it. All right, lay it down. Look here what we're going to do now. All right. Come here, put the air in.
Now Papaw is going to use the air compressor to pump up the tire, with the help of a hammer, of course.
Put some air in it. Come on. You do it. Push it on there. Now, hold it on there. Hold it on there. There you go. Put my air in it. Oh, yeah. Have a feel with it. Yeah, here. Here. Put the air in. You got her fixed. Oh, yeah. Here, help Papaw. Here. Oh, I gotta have help. Oh, it's a heavy. Help. Oh, I can't. Now, let's take it. Rolling back. Come on. Rolling back. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here's your drill. You gotta put it on. You gonna put it on there? Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh my, can we get it on there?
Yeah.
Let's see. You pick it. Boy. Oh, big. Oh. All right, here we go. Yeah. That one. Fix that one too. It needs a little work too. There you go. Yeah. Is it fixed?
Got a real hammer, Papaw?
Got a drill. Oh. So you fix it. Yeah, there you go. Gotta have lug nuts on. Come here, you put one on. Come here. Come over here. Come here. Lay your hammer down. Lay the hammer down. So you can, now, here, put this on.
Tire is back on, and it's time to tighten the lug nuts.
Turn. Here. Here's another one. Put it on. Can you see? Yeah. Here you go. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. The other way. The other way, like here. Yeah, the boy. Turn this. Get hold of the handle. Atta boy. Do it again. Do it again. Atta boy. Alright. Here we go. Through here. Boom. 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 Tighten up some more. You want to tighten it? Here, you do it. You do it. Now, hit it. That's it. Atta boy. That's it.
What is that, buddy? That's a socket. Socket.
Turn it now. Here we go. Now turn it. We're going to turn it. Watch it come down. Watch it. Up. There it comes. Now we got to see if we got it tight. Yeah. Let's see if we got it good and tight. Hello, boy. Fix it? Did you get it all fixed? Huh? Did you? I needed a lot of help on this. I really appreciate your help. This should help me a lot. Look at Mom. Tell Mommy what it is.
What is
Hammer?
that? Is
Hammer?
it hammer? Actually, it's a
That's
rubber
what it
mallet.
does.
But hammer to jack.
Tell Mommy what it is. Tell Mom. Hammer?
Hammer.
All right. Here.
All
Oh.
fixed, and we're
Oh.
lowering the jack.
Ah, boy. Now we got her. Go here. There it is. You want to jack it? Now do it again.
Ready? Hammer.
Bye.